Okay, so I put the foot peg lowering kit on yesterday, but now this is in the wrong place. It needs to go down, so I have to adjust it. I have to adjust it with this adjuster, which is done with a 10mm wrench. wrench. So I've just given myself some room, so now I can adjust it. At the moment, it is about 12.5 inches from the floor. So I need to drop this by about ½ inch. So if I turn it this way, as you see, it goes down. It is now just under 12 inches. Just over 12 inches. If I go down a little bit more. There, I've dropped it down ½ inch. Right, I hold that in position, tighten that up. Oh, yeah, wrong way, of course. And that there. Now I can oh, that is not a 10mm. So this is an 8, and I hold it. Just need to be tightened slightly. This one, the other way. There we go, tight. The other wrench is an 8, and these two were a 10.